Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm showing you guys on how to code or how to learn how to code on your iOS device. So this is actually an app from the App Store and supports iOS 7.0 and above. So any device iOS 7.0 and above you get supports. It hasn't been updated since December 2015, but it works great. So this app is called LRN, Learn to Code in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so much more, guys. So basically this app will teach you how to code, and I really like this app, guys. And if you guys have not heard, there's actually an app called Mimo, which is I don't really like it at all. It keeps making me re-sign in. You get nothing with the free version, like unless you buy premium, which is really, really expensive. I forgot how much it is. I think it's like $100 or even like $60 or $70 like every month, or it's like $100 a year. It's really expensive. This one's actually for free, and I really like this one a lot. It basically goes over everything with you, and there's so much more you could do with it than a Mimo. And with Mimo, for me, whenever I go back to Mimo, every time I close the app, open back up, it would actually like restart my progress. It would kind of like push me back to the beginning for some reason. I don't know, it was like a glitch or something like that. I also had the hacked version, which like it still wasn't even that good. Like it was kind of like the premium for free. But this one is so much better, guys. I'll have this down link down in the description. You guys can download and check it out. I'm not sponsored by them. This is the app I use to learn how to code with. So, down this app, you just want to open up. So once you guys open up, you can see that you can learn different ones. So you have the HTML, CSS, JS, which is JavaScript, PY, Python, RB, Ruby. The popular ones are definitely HTML and I would say JavaScript. Basically, it even says right here in progress, so I'm learning how to do it. I mean, it does a pretty good job showing you guys how to code exactly. You have all this different you basically have six different, I guess, topics they cover with this which is HTML. And there's 13 this one, 16 that one, 12 in that one. So we're just going to tap on where I'm at right now, media. So it shows you how to use different how to code different stuff, and it's really interesting. It even shows you how to do it. And if you get it wrong, it obviously won't, when you run it won't work. So if I press that run and it's the wrong one, I gotta try again. And then when you run it, it'll actually show you like how, like when you run it, it'll exactly show you how what it came out to be. So we're gonna do eBay, and it shows you exactly like the code in, and it shows you what it actually comes out to look like. So I think that's really, really cool. That's just HTML. And like I said, you also have the other ones like CSS, JavaScript. You just tap on it and it'll give you the different ones about them. The only one I've been really using was HTML. I haven't really got the other ones. I don't really use the app that much. We use my like spare time, and I'm not really doing anything. I'll use this app. So also, guys, I believe if you do have local IP store, you could buy this and get it for free. I actually did pay for it to support the developers of this, because I think they're doing like a really amazing job, and they have to make the money somehow. So I definitely don't even do that, guys. Definitely use your own money. I mean, it's not that much money. Even if it's like $20, I paid for it a while ago. It supports them, and learning to code is actually like a lot more expensive anywhere else. A couple $100 or even like $500, which is actually a decent price, or $400 is a decent price. This is actually a really good app, and it kind of like prepares you, and it teaches you so much. It's like saves you so much money, and you can do it on your spare time, and it's right on your phone, so you can do it when you're bored or something like that. So I really do prefer this app, guys. If you guys are interested in coding, I'm actually interested in cybersecurity, but it's one I was kind of switching between that and criminal justice with my majors. So cybersecurity has a big thing to do with coding, and this is an app with coding. And if you guys just like love coding or just love computers, coding is basically how everything's developed, like games and apps. It's basically like the computer science behind how it's like every little move is basically coded. Like Clash Royale, every single like move or like sound, it's like you code different stuff. Like websites are coded. Every single game, everything is coded, guys. So apps are coded. So even like Flappy Bird was coded. You guys remember Flappy Bird? So it's pretty interesting. But that basically wraps up the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Check this app out. I'll downlink down in the description. But you guys, peace.